Fox News committed to your family's health, and new at 5, Alabama's flu season is ramping up earlier than usual this year.
Yeah, and Mobile seems to be ground zero as far as the number of flu cases reported, not just in the state, but the entire country.
Morella Porter is live now at the County Health Department with this story.
Right, Byron Lenise, in Mobile County, those numbers are nearly 3 times greater than the national average. People along the Gulf Coast seeing the active flu season unfold.
My coworker and her sister and her kids.
With the flu?
Mm-hmm.
Doing what they can to keep from getting sick.
Wash my hands, cover my mouth whenever I cough, and just stay away from them as much as I can.
Relieved to already have gotten the flu shot.
It's very important. I don't want to get sick.
I ensure all of my kids get the flu shot, yes.
The latest flu report from the state health department is alarming. It shows people in Alabama are experiencing flu symptoms at a higher rate than the national average. In Mobile County, that concern is even higher.
In Mobile, we're up above 6% of hospital visits in the emergency departments in Mobile being for influenza-like illness. So it's a lot greater than the Alabama average and like 3 times greater almost than the national average.
The state health department says the flu viruses circulating Alabama are all covered in the vaccine. However, Dr. Randy Murphy says that's not a guarantee.
The flu vaccine does contain protection against influenza virus A and B. And yes, influenza B and A is circulating right now, but even within those categories, there's lots of different varieties of those. And so it's really too early to tell how effective the current vaccine is against the viruses that are circulating right now.
According to the Centers for Disease Control, last season, more than 61,000 people died from the flu. Dr. Murphy says it's not too late to get vaccinated this year.
Even if you get the flu after getting a vaccine, you're likely to have a much less severe illness, so you can prevent hospitalization and even potentially death if you get the flu vaccine.
Across the nation, B viruses are most common, and along with getting the vaccine, make sure to wash your hands often. And if you feel sick, see your doctor and try to stay home to keep it from spreading. Live in Mobile, Morella Porter, Fox 10 News.
Okay, Morella, thank you. And as you just mentioned, in addition to getting a flu shot and washing your hands, it's also important to avoid touching your eyes, your nose, your mouth. Be sure to cover your coughs and sneezes and wipe down any commonly used areas like your desk or your computer keyboard with disinfectant. And if you do get sick, limit contact with others as much as possible to keep from infecting them.